Hello, I'm Val. This is Uptown Swing, solo jazz, and we did improvisation. So something that we worked on today is essentially taking two moves and combining them to fit into 1/8, and then repeat in that 1/8. So you really need to be aware of this being repeatable and not just something that is different all the time. So for example, we did like 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's just an example because then what we did, we just partnered people up and we assigned you two moves and you worked with your partner to smoosh them together. Some things that came out of it was, for example, one of my favorite, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Simple, but it works so well. Or for example, some of you were ambitious and you were like, what if we took a full break and a Suzy Q? And it's something like 8, 1, ha, ba, 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 ha, ba, 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 ba. Or then I was like, remember Charleston? And you're like, yes. And we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. That's what you came up with. And there were so many more that I can't even old dance hero. This recap will be like 15 minutes long. And that's what we did.